Welcome to the AARDY.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's topic, travel insurance FAQ. Well, this is part of a collection of wonderful tips to help even the most stressed traveller. Now, from time to time at AARDY.com, we get the opportunity to share with our customers the thoughts of others within the travel community. Ollie Burke, based in the UK, is an up-and-coming travel writer, and we are delighted to share some of his advice. Question: what on earth is travel insurance? Well, this is probably the most asked travel insurance FAQ. It's emergency care when things unexpectedly go wrong. Now, depending on the policy you buy, it can be there for when your luggage is lost by the airline. It can help when you fall hiking or pop an eardrum scuba diving. It can protect you if you get a parasite overseas or need to cancel or cut your trip short because someone's died. It's designed to be there for accidents, both health-related and non-health related. It's for unexpected events you never thought could happen to you. It's not a substitute for health insurance back home. It's not an open checkbook to supplement your trip expenses. And finally, it's not a license to be foolish. Question: isn't travel insurance just health insurance? Well, no, it's so much more than that. There is a medical component for sudden illness and accidental injuries. It can also cover you for trip cancellation, trip interruptions, loss or theft of your gear. Finally, emergency transportation should you need to get to the nearest hospital fast. Question: okay, but it's like health insurance too, right? So I can go and see a doctor when I want? Well, travel insurance is not a replacement for health insurance and should not be treated as such. It's there for unexpected emergencies, so break a leg or pop an eardrum, get food poisoning, travel insurance has you covered. But want to go and see a doctor for a physical or get a new crown on your tooth, you're on your own. Question: can I get treated for an illness I already have? Well, most travel insurance plans don't cover pre-existing conditions. If you get sick on the road, yes, travel insurance is there for you. But if you need medication for an ongoing chronic disease or a medical condition you knew of before you bought the policy, you could be out of luck. Question: my credit card offers some protection. Isn't that good enough? Well, credit cards, even the very best, offer very limited protection. Some offer coverage for lost or stolen items, medical expenses and trip cancellations if you booked your trip with the card, but they may not cover you being airlifted home or anything else. Always check. You may also not be covered unless you activate the policy before your trip. And if they do cover something, the coverage limit may be so low that you might be shocked when you have to pay the difference. So the bottom line, don't rely on credit card coverage for anything more than lost or stolen items, and maybe not even then. Question: how does the insurance actually work? Do they mail me a card I can show to the doctor? Well, imagine it's a major medical emergency needing overnight hospitalization or medical repatriation. Then you or someone else would contact the emergency assistance team. The team can help make arrangements and approve costs. For all other situations, including day-to-day admission to hospital, you need to claim reimbursement from the insurer. You need to pay out of pocket and then submit documentation to the insurance company after the fact, so no need for a card to show to the doctor. But be sure to keep all documentation, file as necessary, police reports, and save all receipts. Companies don't reimburse based on your word. Question: what about Obamacare? How does that affect everything? Well, for Americans, Obamacare covers you only in the United States, and travel insurance is not a replacement for health insurance, nor does it get you out of its requirements. But if you are away from the United States for 330 days or more, you don't need to get US-based health insurance. You also get a 3-month grace period each year before you get charged a penalty, so be sure to contact a tax accountant or the ACA hotline number for more information. Question: I got drunk and hurt myself. Will I be covered? Well, possibly not. If you are doing something foolish, whether you're drinking or not, insurance companies will want to know if putting yourself at unnecessary risk led to the injury. If after investigating they find that you did, they can deny your claim. Question: does travel insurance cover me in my home country? Well, some travel insurance can cover you at home. It depends on your policy, and there are always conditions on when the coverage starts and ends and where you can travel to, so check this carefully. Combine this with our wonderful travel insurance definitions and you should have a solid set of guidelines the next time you delve into the travel insurance policy. Safe travels.